Hi, my name is Michael. So I will give you troubleshooting if LCD got invalid message or the SD card cannot be showing in LCD screen. The main reason is you have to put LCD on the ground or you have to check the wires. So right now it's LCD. Sometimes the wires is not connected correctly. Alright? So there's EP1, EP2. So you need double check wires to connect again. Right now there is invalid message. What you need to do is to reset, click here, come to the HICTOP, and right now the LCD is ready and the SD card can read it. Thank you for watching.